I'm be straight up. We's gonna learn about angle, side, angle. We's gonna create a picture for it, and we's about to learn what we's gonna learn. You know what I mean? Alright, so if you got some sort of angle, let's say it's going out at this ray, and then another nigga comes up to you and was like, yo, make that next ray horizontal. I'm like, alright, seems like a reasonable way to do it. Nice and easy to visualize. Not necessary, but nice and easy to visualize. Um, then, alright, this is the other ray which our side is going to be laid down upon. Alright, so another nigga walks up to you and says, yo, I got this neat ass side I want you to put down on that triangle for me. And I'm like, alright, where do you want me to put it? And I was like, alright, let's put it down right there. Let's have one of its endpoints be right there. And I was like, alright, nigga, that's pretty tight. And this other nigga walked up to me. And this other nigga said, yo, what about another angle? If we put down an angle and a side and another angle in that specific order, could that produce one and only one triangle? I was like, yo, nigga, let's find out. So this nigga was like, alright, so we know we've already got that solid line down there as one of the rays of our last angle that we're going to put down here. We've already put down one. We were told that we got to put down angle, side, angle, so we got to put down the last angle. So this nigga was like, I got a good place to put it. And he was like, let's put it down right here. And I was like, word, that's a good place to put it. And this nigga walked up to me and was like, yo, take a look at what we got, nigga. Right now I see only one point where those two rays could possibly intersect and where we could put our third point of that triangle down. And it's right there. I was like, yeah, nigga, you know you're right. So I put down my solid lines and I was like, damn, nigga, this is the only triangle we could create. And that nigga was like, hell yeah. So that nigga was saying, if you had some sort of angle and then right next to it you were given some sort of side, and then right next to it you were given some sort of other angle, then damn, nigga, you got yourself one and only one triangle.